Hello friend, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to see a new topic, that is how to add text to the image or video using OpenShot Video Editor. So let's see. To do it step by step, I'll first import some images you want to change, add a text on that images or video. So simply go to the import file and import the images, whatever you want. Already imported. Place it on track 1. Then you want to add a text, go to title. There are multiple templates available. This bar 1, bar 2, bar 3 at the bottom. So you can take anything you want as per your requirement. So for video, I'll take this word. So in this, we have to put the file name first. So I'll be giving the name text, then the title line. You can add anything as per your requirement. Then you can change the size. That is 49, so you can change size as well. Okay, if you want to the font, you can change this also. So there is a multiple option available, so you can change anything. I'll keep it same as it is. Then the text color. If you want to change the text color, you can change it. Then the background, you can change the background as well if you want to change. Same as this text we change. I keep same it is. In a text background selection, if your text is in light color, then select the dark background, so it will be reflect good. For example, I change this. Okay. You can adjust this background as well. If you want to make dark, you can make it. Here also we can change the color, mix the color. And save. It will be saved in a SVG format. Then we will keep this image in the track 2. So you can see that image is placed in the over the track 1. Then we have to adjust that. place on top, can do it. So in this way we can add text in the image. We can see that we are added it. Hope this video is find useful for you. Please like, subscribe to the channel for the more text related video. Thank you.